Hi everyone, this is the video for the week 2 assignment. For this week you only have to complete problems and exercises from chapter 3 in your textbook. So let's first go over exercise 13. It's on page 120. It's on page 116 at the bottom. It's covering objective 2, which is pages 75 through 80. A good example for this problem is Cornerstone 3-2 on page 79. And so you're given information about the costs associated with performing lab tests. So the first thing you're going to have to do is, what are the committed resources? What amounts are fixed in the problem that cannot be changed? Flexible resources. What things are debatable? What prices can be changed? For example, are the equipment. Could you, based on the equipment that you have, can you negotiate the price, or is it a fixed price? Is it a committed price? So you're just going to go through and list the committed and flexible resources. Part 2, you're asked to calculate various things. Depreciation. If you remember from accounting 1 and 2, depreciation is calculated as the purchase price minus the salvage value. That is going to equal the book value. And then the next step is you're going to take the book value divided by the useful life. And then this is not asking you for monthly depreciation, it's asking you for the annual depreciation. So let's do the depreciation on the equipment so that you see exactly how it is going to be done. Let's see. Processing equipment cost $245,500 minus the salvage value. It has no salvage value, so it goes minus 0. That's going to equal the $245,500. Has a useful life of 5 years. So once you do the math, you'll come up with the annual depreciation for that amount, for that piece of equipment. Salaries, they're going to take the number of employees. In this case, there are 8 salary technicians. So you're going to take the salaries, so you're going to take the 8 employees times their annual salary. So times the salary, which is given in the book. The water testing rate, we have to add the costs, all of the costs together. So we're going to take the depreciation on lab facility, add the depreciation on equipment, add in the salaries, and then we're going to have to add in what they expect to spend for chemicals and other supplies. So that's the first part of this formula. And then that is going to be divided by the number of tests that they expect per year. And it says that lab facility is built and staffed to handle the processing of 100,000 tests. So you're going to have to do that formula. The variable rate activity, you're going to take the part of it's going to be either the amount of the flexible resources, and then you're going to divide it by the number of tests. that they expect to use. The fixed activity, you're going to take the depreciation amounts. So let's do it this way so you can see it easier. So you're going to take the depreciation plus the salaries, since those are fixed rates, and divide it by the number of tests they expect per year. This one is you're going to take the chemical price divided by the 100,000. So that's how you do part 2. Part 3 and 4, the formulas are a little more in depth. So it gives you the activity equals activity usage plus unused activity. So the first part, a lot of people forget to give me all of the formulas. So we're going to have the test capacity, pardon the spelling, so that is going to equal the used plus the unused. But give me both sides of the equation when you do the problem. Here we're going to use cost activity supplied. That is going, so well, let me put the equal sign in. There we go. So it's going to be the cost of the 86,000 tests, which is the amount that's used, plus, so you're going to take the costs of the 86,000 used times the water testing rate. So this is going to be the 86 times the total water testing rate. We're going to have to add to that the 14,000 not used multiplied by the fixed. And so there is all the formulas and what you need to do to complete part 13. I love the problems when they come with this pre-made form because it tells you if the number is wrong. So I'm going to enter some crazy numbers. And as you can see, it's telling me that each one of my numbers is wrong because I didn't really look at the problems. So that's going to be easy to help you whether or not you're getting the hang of it or not. That is actually on for Objective 6 on pages 97 to 100. A great example in the textbook to look at is Cornerstone 3-7 on pages 99 to 100. And then you do have a 2-paragraph analysis. A lot of students do forget that. So you're going to tell me, I want to know the variability in the overhead costs. What percentage is that? Is the R value high, low? What does that represent? Is there a high or low degree of confidence? What would the cost of an extra gift basket be? How much does she need to charge to cover the costs? That type of information. And then the final is, there's nothing listed because it is a cyber research problem. So you're going to go to the website given in the book, which is to Boeing. It does give you the exact items you have to press within the website. So you're going to go to the website. You're going to find commercial airplanes. You're going to go to About Commercial Airplanes, then Orders and Deliveries. And then you're going to tell me which type of plane would you expect Boeing to gain the most from. So you're going to compare costs. Which one is better? Which type of aircraft is going to be better? What's going to impact the costs? Why? prices, and how long does it take to provide the delivery. I want at least one good paragraph. I would prefer 2 or 3 good paragraphs, but at least one good paragraph that answers all of the questions. But you need to provide sources. Where on the page did you get the resources? Where did you find the information? What information came directly from the website? So please cite your materials. If you have any questions on this assignment, please let me know, and I hope you guys have a great day.